Hello, and welcome to the setup of the Kyota Konbi M728 DualPro 4D massage chair. In this video, we are going to walk you through the step-by-step assembly of setting up your new premium massage chair. When your chair arrives, it is going to be in one large box. Cut away the straps, then lift the box straight up and set aside. While discarding additional packing materials, locate and remove the accessory box resting at the front of the chair. In the accessory box, we have the remote tablet, the tablet holder, one power cord, 2 spare fuses, 2 spare clips, the user manual, a quick start guide, the assembly guide, and lastly, the warranty card. Don't forget to register your warranty. Now let's remove any remaining packaging materials surrounding the chair. Once you have uncovered the main body of the chair, unwrap the plastic and fold it toward the bottom of the tray. This next step will require some assistance from a partner. Lift the chair up out of the tray while one foot is holding down the plastic to fully remove the chair from the bottom tray. Now lift the footrest out of the main body of the chair and place it on the floor. Next, locate the power cord and connect it into a grounded outlet. Then plug it into the respective port on the back side of the base of the chair. Flip the main power switch on. Then press and hold the power button on the left arm of the chair until the button illuminates, and then let go. Press and hold the button again until the chair resets to the upright position. Now turn the main power switch off. For the next step, remove the footrest wrappings and position the footrest in front of the main chair body. Connect the footrest electrical plug into the footrest electrical port. Push it in until it clips. Next, slide the 2 air hoses onto their respective air nozzles. Be sure to firmly seat the hoses all the way onto the nozzles. Before sliding the footrest into place, there are clips on the footrest pins that you will have to remove. Next, lift the footrest and slide the footrest hinge over the pin on the body of the chair. Slide the first one down the axle pin all the way. This should give you enough space to maneuver the footrest up onto the other axle pin. Then replace the clips to secure it into place. If you misplace and lose any of the clips, there are some spares in the hardware bag of the accessory box. Now let's install the seat cushion. Remove any remaining protective coverings from the seat and Velcro, then lower the seat cushion into place. Make sure to line up the Velcro pads when applying the cushion. Now zip the seat cushion to the body of the chair. And then zip the footrest to the seat cushion. Next, locate the tablet holder from the accessory bag. Place the tablet holder into the tablet holder mount, making sure the flat end lines up with the notch in the mount. Screw the chrome fastener down and tighten. Now, mount the tablet on the tablet holder by seating the bottom first, then gently snap the top into the mount. Then attach the tablet cord to the connection port located on the right side of the chair seat. Be careful to line up the pins and key, then push together when aligned. Screw the cords together to secure. Remove the protective film from the tablet. Toggle the main power switch back on and turn on the chair by tapping the tablet. Read and accept the warning screen, then run an auto program to ensure that everything is working properly. If everything is working properly, feel free to take a seat and relax. Enjoy your new Konbi M728 DualPro 4D massage chair.